INC candidate Dr. Bimol Akoijam asked why educated persons cannot be people's representatives when uneducated businessmen can represent people in early days. Bimol Akoijam made this statement during Know Your Candidate program held at Imphal Hall of Classic Grand Chingmerong, organized by International Métis Forum. INC candidate Dr. Bimol Akoijam and independent candidate Haurungbam Sarat were the only candidates to attend the program. However, independent candidate R.K. Somendro attended the program for a short duration. Dr. Bimol appealed to the people not to sell votes. He also stated that the misconception of tribals that Meitei scheduled tribe demand is to snatch land needs to be corrected.
Manipuri backbone se koi Meitei ni adubu atopa community mayam se yaw kana Manipur union sabana na Meitei yawduna Manipur sin bana mo aduna masi oina ba ano on new imagination colonial period ki sajalani ba post colonial Indian state thajalani ba sikje mayam se koi tam sa ko sigi issue mayam se sum government se na mana talk respond to propaganda se thingo bo ya se thingo te sai na sak ta na ne first time in a political speech people horo pa se gentleman ta ina wa ma. We must not condemn the cookie as a whole, as a community. And that fruit to Machai, no, when I need them can be a roy. Chaiduris Kanamo, the Mokogi, Luchimba, Mogi elite, Amusu Mokogi to Haita, Nimbogi, divisible politics, Mayuta, when a neighbor of Nihabanem.
Independent candidate Haurungbam Sarat had stated that the present crisis is due to social, economic, and cultural devolution. Unity of civil society organization is required to fight any challenges. Sadat alleged that inability to raise voice in parliament is because of insincere minds despite promises included in election manifesto.
Howdy, Pachai, Dilita the Myo, she from Latin the dollar for the Yeli Policy, Machitaki, a point Carino, a Poishi Fish, Saliba, Chari, Taliba, Yawi Gagonita. Dilita, Matrin Pali, BJP in the government party, Congress party, Moiti, to one Chileva, a Poigi regional party in the Carriway. A Poish the one machine, basic amenities like Sing Lady, Shaka, Sing Pimonte. Sing farmership 250 pinamadu 2500 yoguyan 2000 ekar piwani akoi hoji market rupa ma chete rupa minimum circulation rupa tarane akoi yam ila kumba yam nungaya thobas society na tiko akoi yam lai bani yam na usalimba chawlinimba samaj ni hangai sebudi haro hadu akoi lai samaj.
International Métis Forum spokesperson LC Somendro, the program was held with an aim to provide proportionality to candidates to campaign for the Lok Sabha polls, which in turn will make the voters understand to choose right candidate.
Right choice say sang na matamatam say ma ko ding election to kraba matungda handa kisina khwai de hena maru oi nam khanjaba election ating ma phana lerega su miam da vote yauroi ha ba phana lerega su vote ti tawgi do bonina tawra kanda matik chawa candidate to akoina phudra di akoi sila tiba akoi phire ma soi gi ni khanba dagi makoi gi apamba manung hutna akoina khangba ya ba hangba ya wang sing do hangora kanda Karamba me right person oigadagi aikogi MP oina khanirkanda Manipur ki thokliba thodo masung tungda oirakadaba singse makoina parliament thokpiduna masagi personal diplomacy mayam togduna adu makal ki Bharat ki laiba India ki laiba New Delhi di famliba media mayamda aikogi achumba mayamda puthokpiduna aikoi se lankete akoi apabarom de chali adu makal ki wakal taba loksing singru puthokduna niyamda Kangal Lakanda, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯂꯣꯝ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ